Good morning, this is News Channel 6, and my name is Lucas Pieper. Today our topic is, can humans survive on other planets? Now you may be wondering, what are the factors for a habitable world? Well, the first thing you need is temperature. It influences how quickly atoms and molecules move. You want to have like a pretty decent temperature, not too high and not too low. Next thing you need is water. This one's pretty obvious, it's what your body needs. It dissolves and transports chemicals within and to from a cell. Next thing you need is atmosphere. A good atmosphere. It traps heat, shields the surface from harmful radiation, and provides chemicals needed for life, such as oxygen. Next thing you need is energy, such as light. And the last thing you need is nutrients, like food, for energy for your blood cells. Now over to Rich in the studio, where he'll talk about one of the possible planets. Thanks, Lucas. Now the first possible planet is Mars. Mars is one of the closest planets to Earth, and it is 249,900,000 miles away. Mars' average temperature is negative 85 degrees Fahrenheit, so you'll probably need a thermal suit if we do end up living there. For water, scientists have found out Mars may have water on it by observing the rocks. For Mars' atmosphere, it is about 1% of Earth's, so that is a huge downside. Now over to Bob for another one of the possible planets. Thanks, Rich. Now the next place is called Europa. Europa is one of Jupiter's moons, and is 390,400,000 miles away from Earth. It's a potential place to live because it's icy, which means it has water. And its atmosphere is made up of oxygen. But on the downside is the average temp. It's negative 260 degrees Fahrenheit, so it'd be hard to live there without a very strong thermal suit. Now over to Joe for the next planet. Thanks, Bob. Now the next planet is called Enceladus. Enceladus is one of Saturn's moons, and it is 249,170,000 miles away. The average temperature is negative 330 degrees Fahrenheit. You will definitely need an extremely strong thermal suit here. Enceladus has an icy and liquidy floor that has water. The atmosphere does not have oxygen, so that would be a major downside. Now back to Lucas for the last planet. Thanks, Joe. Now the last planet is Kepler-22b. Kepler-22b is probably a planet you have not heard of. It's about 2.4 times the size of Earth, and it's in a different solar system called Kepler-22. Kepler-22b has a surface very similar to Earth's, but it's very hard to tell because it's 600 light years away. Because of its distance, we don't know very much about it. Kepler-22b's temperature we assume is about the same as Earth's, because its orbital ring is around the same size as Earth's orbital ring. Now this has been News Channel 6. I'm Lucas Pieper. See you later, Ankeny.